What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we got a 500 gram cake from Winda. It is Reach for the Sky. Cake's been around for a little while, but hadn't been able to shoot this one for myself. So finally I was able to nab it and get it up in the sky for you. It is a 500 gram 12 shot cake. Another 2-inch bore size, all straight up and down. Let's take a look at the performance here. You got 30 seconds in duration, 300 feet, straight up and down, 10 out of 10 noise level. Like I said, 2-inch bore size. Giant breaking 2-inch shell cake. Mystic red, green, yellow dahlias. Changed to brocade crown. And each shot with pistol. That is Reach for the Sky from Winda. So let's take it out and see how she looks.
We've been at this few months while you tested. Great.